Welcome to today's demo session. Before we get started, let me drop a fun fact. Did you know that Portuguese language is the hidden gem of foreign languages? Maybe you did. That is why you are here. Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Gola, language partner at Profound Careers. To be specific, Brazilian Portuguese. You must have noticed that everyone is chasing Spanish, French, or Italian. But believe me guys, Portuguese language is like underrated track on Spotify that suddenly goes viral. At Profound Careers, we focus on Brazilian Portuguese. Now, you must be thinking that why I'm specifying Brazilian Portuguese. Think of it like English. English has two accents, British and American. Likewise, Portuguese also has two, European and Brazilian. Now, question comes, why only Brazilian? So let me tell you some facts. Brazil has over 203 million people in Brazil, which is more than 80% of all the total Portuguese speakers worldwide. While Portugal has only 10 million people. So if you want reach, if you want networking, Brazil is the way. Adding further, Brazilian Portuguese is much easier to learn. It has vowels which are clear and open so that they sound natural and easier to pronounce. Now, let's not forget the main fact that Brazil is one of the largest economies in the world, which is rich in industries like agriculture, tourism, tech, and energy. So, more job and trade opportunities if you learn Brazilian Portuguese. Last but not the least, Brazil has rich culture, music, football, and entertainment. So, keeping all this in mind, just imagine samba beats, carnival energy, Neymar in football field, and Netflix shows from Brazil. Cool? It sounded cool to me too. That is why I chose Brazilian Portuguese. Today, I interact and deal directly from Brazil and I train people who want fast growth in their career. One of the reasons I say is it has way higher package than other languages. So here, I'm not just teaching you language, I'm opening doors to an entire culture which brings warmth, rhythm, and global opportunities. Now I consider that you have known what Brazilian Portuguese is and its importance. Are you ready to vibe in Brazilian Portuguese? Let's go. Now allow me to share our methodology of teaching at Profound Careers. Our methodology is CEFR, Common European Framework of Reference, which is global standards of all the languages, most of the language I must say. You will go step by step from A1, which is beginner level, to C2, advanced level. So whether you are beginner or aiming to be professional, our program covers it all. Now, I want to discuss some skills of languages. Generally, we see there are four skills: LWSR, listening, writing, speaking, and reading. But we at Profound Careers go beyond. We added VPG, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar, making it 7 pillars. So here, you don't just learn words, you master the language inside out. Moving further, let's look at the roadmap. After taking this demo session, I'm sure that you will be enrolling in our A1 level course. After enrolling in A1, then after learning 2.5 months about the level, about the stuff, then you will be ready for the assessment. Then after taking assessment and receiving feedback from us, you will get the certificate. Likewise, after getting all the certificates of the coming levels, you will be C2 certified. And believe me, after getting C2 level certificate, you will become proficient, fluent, and globally ready. Now, we will take an example of our very first level, A1. We have 40 hours course, which will be covered in 2.5 months. We will have weekends classes, and each class will be of 2 hours, which will be convenient for everyone, whether it's student or working professional. We will be covering greetings like hola. Repeat after me. Hola. Hola. Hola means hello. Bom dia. Bom dia. Good morning. So, next, introduction, survival vocabulary we will cover. Verbs like ser, estar, ter, morar, and so on. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Days, food, comida, travel terms, basic sentence structures, pronunciation and listening practice. Yes, in beginner level, we will do pronunciation and listening practice so that you will be familiar with the Brazilian's accent. And this is not just me saying this. Our students call their journey with profound careers life changing. They found the classes helpful, fun, and they are actually using this language in their studies, job, and travels. That's all. Muito obrigado. Thank you very much. Did you notice that you already spoke some words in Brazilian Portuguese today? Just imagine your progress in just a few weeks. For that, I invite you to join us at Profound Careers. You can get the link to enroll from the same chat you got this demo link. Or you can get the link in video description. See you in the class. Até logo!